You hit the power button on your computer. But what actually happens in those few seconds before you see your desktop? Let's break it down.
Okay, so it's not exactly magic. It's a super fast, precise sequence of events, and it all starts with one key piece of hardware.
It all kicks off with the power supply unit. Think of this thing as the heart of your computer.
Its job is to take the power from your wall outlet and turn it into the stable, low-voltage juice your PC needs.
Before anything else, it runs a quick self-check. Once the power is stable, it sends an all clear to the motherboard.
Okay, power is good. Now the system's firmware, the BIOS, wakes up from its chip on the motherboard.
Its very first job is to run the post. That's a power-on self-test. It's a quick pre-flight check for your hardware.
It's checking the brain, memory, and graphics. If something's wrong, you might just get some beeps or a blank screen.
But you know BIOS is pretty ancient. Most modern computers use something way better called UEFI.
And this is a huge deal. It's why new PCs can boot in just a few seconds, not minutes like the old days.
Basically, UEFI's structured approach makes the whole startup process way faster and a lot more reliable.
All right, the hardware checks are done. Now the firmware has to find and hand things over to your operating system.
So after the post, the firmware scans your drives, finds the right boot sector, and starts loading the OS.
This little program, the bootloader, is the crucial bridge connecting your hardware to the software you actually use.
So, let's talk about what you're actually seeing on your screen while all of this is going on.
At first, you might see some basic text pop up. That's just the firmware doing its initial hardware inventory check.
Then, that familiar logo appears. That means the main parts of your operating system are loading into memory.
Next up is the login screen. It's just waiting for your password to load up all your personal settings and files.
And finally, boom, there's your desktop. Your computer is now fully awake and ready to go.
So next time you boot up, you'll know about the incredible dance between hardware and software happening behind the scenes.